Hey guys, today we got a 2002 GMC Envoy with the concern that it won't come out of neutral. And as you'll be able to see here, it won't even crank to start either. So I managed to get the shifter into park once I got it in the garage, and the shifter won't come out of park. As you can see, my foot's on the brake and I can't even squeeze the little release lever to shift the vehicle. Also, we have a no crank condition, but the vehicle still rolls without the emergency brake on. So what I did was, first thing I suspected was a broken transmission shift cable. So I got it up on my rack here. Go ahead and raise it up. Be able to get underneath it and check out the shift cable. Get about 41 inches of lift height with this lift. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good. I like it. It's just perfect for this garage. Okay, let's take a look underneath here. And sure enough, right there you can see the broken transmission shift cable right there. The little bushing goes bad and they break off. So here's your transmission shift lever right here. So that's park, reverse, neutral, drive. The reason it was a no crank no start was because the transmission was in drive. So we shifted into park. Now it'll start just fine. So I've got the replacement part over here. We'll go ahead and put this new shift cable in, see what happens. Okay, new shift cable has been installed and is connected to the shifter there on the side of the transmission. So let's go see if this fixes the problem. There you go. Problem fixed. That's all it was. The reason it wouldn't allow it to come out of park or out of neutral in this case is because the transmission was still in gear, and even though you were pressing the brake pedal here, it was still detecting no movement. So once we got the transmission range matched up correctly with the shifter, now it shifts just fine. There's reverse. There's forward. Problem solved.